Oh my god, look at his face. Gachapon are a variety of vending machine dispense capsule toys popular in Japan. Is it possible to buy the real one on Aliexpress? Well, let's find out. For the sake of this video and my wallet, I looked wider to what Gachapon actually is. It is a surprise capsule, right? Cause you know the theme, but not the exact one you'll be getting. And that's the angle I approached. So I've ordered different items from Aliexpress that claim to be a Gachapon or a surprise blind box. So let's start strong today. We are starting with Dark Souls. And I ordered a blind one. There are a few in the set. And maybe that's the one is in this box. That's the ones you can get. And obviously there's one favorite among them all. What's surprising to me is the fact I thought these were like a fake something, right? But they have this on it and a lot of other logos and also this sticker. I think it's the real one. And now you can buy it on Aliexpress because I never saw it somewhere else. No freaking way. Okay. So that's not the one I will get in the box, and I see what I got, and holy shit, I got lucky. God damn, that's the freaking one I wanted. The package is good. It seems legit, because most of the fake figures don't have this kind of box. Oh boy, let's see how she looks. Man, those are big. My verdict, that's the real one. It ain't fake. But now is the question, how the fuck do I assemble it? Pacman, I'm really bad at this. So this one goes first, that's for sure. Okay, oh, it fits nice. That's also one of the main theme from fake toys. It ain't fitting right. So let's go to another one. I know what this is. And I bought it actually as a joke. Let's see what Aliexpress has in store for us. Alright, looks like Sprite. It was like $3 or something, and I just thought, yeah, why not? So you can see the theme here, right? It's all food based. It can't even stand properly because of this nipple. That's stupid. Ooh, there's an ice cream? It's an ice cream. It's a milk. Man, it looks disgusting. Ugh, I was lazy. Whoa, this one is big. It's a freaking cheese. No, it's a Pacman. Next item. Let's see what this is. Randomly distressed cat. There are 9 styles. And you get 3 of them. So much plastic, goddamn. Thank God I recycled this shit. Following our store to Rinov. And don't worry, I ordered the one that said Gachapon in its name, so we will be answering the question that I asked at the start of the video. It's a cute cat. I mean, it looks good. How much did I pay for that? $8 for 3 of them. That's alright. Nose is a little bit off center, but who gives a shit? But I have this ice cream, and I probably need to put it on its head. Then we have another one. And real particular mustache he has. So he has some accessoires, and I understand why he is distressed. The last cat. So we know why this cat is distressed, and he is face palming. He's face palming. That's cute. That sucks. This thing there. I mean, not big of a deal, but and the knees are dirty. Dirty cat. Next item. So yeah, this one is the Gachapon. From the start, it looks kind of real. And I'm curious if the toy that's inside is real or fake. And I never opened the real one, so it's gonna be a tough call for me to say if it's the real one or not. The quality is actually good, I think. Of course, I get Rengoku from all of them. That's not the one I wanted, but who gives a shit? The face looks great. Yeah, I think that's the real one. Or just a really good fake, but I believe that's the real one. And on the end of the video I have another Gachapon I ordered not for the video, but as a bonus I will show you how it looked. Big pack. Cats. More cats, more random cats. But that's the cats you can get, and I really like cats. And my girlfriend likes cats, so I'm probably gonna give this ones to her. Ooh, interesting. I paid $15 for both of them, so I hope the quality is gonna be top notch. Okay, this looks nice. So now I already know which one I got. Oh, more accessoire. It has a cat milkshake. This one is just chilling, boys. Damn, he's heavy. God damn. It's not an empty plastic. And another one. I swear to God if I got the double. I thought for a second I did, because it's also a white cat and they have different colors. But it's not. It's a cute cat riding the duck. That's the phrase I thought I would never say, but yeah, here we are. Oh, it's going up his ass. Stick about duck ass. Come on. Yeah, boy. Yeah. Nice. So we have 3 more items to get through, and I think you would love this one. 1 random style Pokemon Pokeballs toys, Pikachu Elf Ball, Pikachu Ball, 7cm cartoon movie hobbies, action toys, figure children gift. So it's Pokemon shit, and I just know it's fake, right? It can't be real. Let's get it. We have 3 balls. We are starting with a yellow ball. Oh man, I already see the quality and it's just so shit. I mean, they were really cheap. Like for this egg, you pay less than $3. You know it's shit, right? But I'm just curious and I ordered it so that you don't have to order and wonder, hey, is it good or not? No, it's fucking not, because look at this. Oh God, it feels so dirty. OMG, that's just going right into the trash after this video. Why? This is so bad. Holy shit. Bruh, the paint is just coming off. And the Pika, oh my God, look at his face. His face. Well, who the fuck is this? Like, what? Help me, who is that Pokemon? I mean, what the fuck? That's not even a fucking Pokemon, that's a Digimon. And why do I have a random number? The next one is blue. Let's see how freaking fucked up the toys are here inside. We have another Pikachu, not even colored. Nice. Little bit of cancer there on his ear. Probably some damage in the Pokemon battle. It's even stupid to say the Pikachu is a better quality than the second one, because that's your boy Charmander. Oh my God. He doesn't have a tail. But there's no tail on the egg. They forgot to put the freaking tail. You're kidding me? Let's put an ice cream in it. Can I? Can I make the ice cream Charmander? I can. Hey, that's a new Pokemon. That's the secret evolution of Charmander. The last egg. I don't even want to open it, but yeah. So we have yet another Pikachu. This one is smaller. He's really small compared to the other one. He can't fucking stand. Oh, he can. Never mind. Actually, from all of them, if not for this god-awful paint job, this would be good. Why did I say that? It's not good. Like, it would be better than the other one. Oh man, don't buy this shit. I don't know what I expected from a fake Pokemon shit, but I'm gonna say not this. Let's get to the next item. And it's more random shit. Funny, relaxing toy mix, surprise egg, capsule egg, bow model, puppets, toy kits, children gift, randomly delivery. Like, it's gonna random deliver to your house, or maybe not. It doesn't matter if you ordered or not. I already see that we got 2 doubles. And that's just a ring with an emoji on it. Can I? Alright. So do I... Oh, it's not a double, it's another emoji. Look at that. That's epic, right, boys? Where do I start? I want the green one. That's freaking Tanjiro. What? What in the world? He has a big hole. The more you know. Bro, what is this shit on his forehead? Oh, that's the mark, right? His birthmark or whatever. This is from the movie. I don't remember the name right now, but alright. And then we have... Oh, I know this one, but I also don't. I mean, I've seen it before, but I I just don't remember where. And then we have the last one. It's a freaking house. Is it a house? What is this? Is it like an oven? Like a microwave? What is this? Oh, it's supposed to... It's a freaking bus. It's a bus. So that's this random pain in the ass. And I have saved the kind of best for last. More Dark Souls, but that's the first series. The one we opened with is the second series. I just want to have him and her, I guess. The other ones are also really cool, so I don't mind which one I get I get here, but I already have a figure of Solaire, so that's the one I want the least, I guess. Let's see who... oh my god. This is the fucking dream come true today. What's this shit? I want it. I got... Oh, the smell. By the way, that's also one of the main... Oh, it's alright now. Things to look out if you got the fake one or not. Most of the time fake smells like death. Like death from plastic. That's how the fake one smells. And the real one smells sometimes also like this. Like you can smell the shit and then it's just few seconds and you can't smell it anymore because it's gone. I mean, that's cool. I actually bought this on like winter's Christmas sale. So I paid $12, I believe, for one. And for this price, it's a decent quality, I would say. How... I am not so good at putting the things together, as you can see. He's looking cute and cool at the same time, I like it. And the last one, for this video, we got Artorias. So I didn't get all I wanted. It would be funny if I got like the other one I wanted. But Artorias is also real cool. And I'm actually... That would be like the third one I would want out of the box. So it's alright. Look how cool he is. There's no way this can't fit in there. How am I supposed to do this? Are you kidding me? It's been a fake all along, guys. Yes, that's how I'm gonna display them. Oh, I'm just a pussy. I almost freaking broke it only because I couldn't like separate them the first time. The bonus one to answer the question if you can get the real Gachapon. So I bought this JoJo ones and they came in these capsules. Yeah, they look legit. Especially you can tell from faces. When the face looks right, it's gonna be the real one. And you have also the license JoJo there. Can you get the real Gachapon on Aliexpress? Yes, and even more than that. Because as today we saw, we got some legit shit. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed that kind of content. Because that's the first one for me. It was kind of expensive to make, so I don't know how fast or even if I will be doing the second part. The more support I get, the more likely you will see the second video of this. And maybe more epic shit, less random shit. Thank you for watching this. You're hella epic and I see you, web traveler.